Behold this land of rugged beauty, weathered by the elements, enduring and iron-willed in spirit, built on centuries of grit, resilience and determination, its soul forged in the smoke and fires of industry. One land with many voices. A modern nation with an ancient heart. A heart that's been battered, bruised and broken too many times before.
He's hit the crossbar. Once again, they've been beaten at the last gasp.
But our spirit will never be broken. We will not go gentle into that good night. We rage against the dying of the light. Because to be Welsh is to feel the blood pound in your veins, like the pounding of the sea upon these ancient shores. And to be Welsh is to know that victory hard won is the sweetest victory of all. So when we stumble, we get back up. We dig deeper, we go again. Yes, our history made us, but there's so much history left for us to make. And we all have a part to play, working together, standing together, singing together, through the highs and lows, the victories and defeats. We win together, we lose together, and throughout it all, we stay together. A shared vision built on craft, Welsh spirit and the unconquerable will to win. Passion, progress, pride. A football nation reborn, an identity remade, and a fire that never ever goes out. Because together we are stronger. Gore chwarae, cyd chwarae.